Welcome back to my channel. It's Wit here with another video. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Get into this look, you guys. Look at this. So let's continue on to the video and see how I achieve this look. So right now I'm using my Sea Breeze toner. And I'm going in with this pad and I'm just applying that all over her face. Now I'm going in with Java and Morphe Precision Pencil. And here I am filling in her brows. Now here I am filling in the other side of her brow. And I'm just creating these light strokes in the front of her brow. Now I'm going in with Milani concealers, and this is in the shade Almond or Warm Sand. And as you can see, I'm starting off with the arch of her brow to get that real nice and arch brow. And here I am dragging it towards the front and making sure we got a fire brow, like a bomb brow. So throughout this video, a lot of things happen, you guys. I don't even know where to begin, but a lot of things happened in this video. She was a great client. First of all, she was great. But I had another client who was trying to get her makeup done, and she came in, like, she was supposed to come in at 5:30, but she ended up coming in like at 4:20, I want to believe, 4:20, I believe. So basically I was only 20 minutes into her face, and it's not around this time, actually. I'll let you guys know when I was about 20 minutes into her face and when she arrived. Her appointment was at 5:30 and not 4:20. So here I am. I basically went in with P. Louise base, and I had dragged down the concealer that I used for her brows. And I'm just going in with this brown shade with this fluffy brush, and I'm just applying that all over the lid. But yeah, so she came at 4:20, and I was only 20 minutes into her face, and she knocked on the door, and she was basically like, hi. I was like, hi. And I was just looking at her like, why are you here? And I was like, you can have a seat. Once I'm done, I'll be with you. And she goes, okay, but today's my birthday. And I was like, I know this lady is like, I know she's playing, right? I know she's playing. She's not serious. And she goes, today is my birthday. And I was just like, okay, well, you can have a seat. I'm with someone right now. And she was like, yeah, I know. I was like, okay. So here I am. I went in with a base, and I just used that to apply the nude shade on her eyelid. But I went in with a shade that was like more tan, like a creamy shade, because she wanted like this natural look, but she also wanted to look good. So I went in with a lighter nude towards the tear duct, and then the outer parts of that lid has like a more tan nude creamy shade. So I kind of mixed those together. Notice how I'm using the same brush, and I didn't change my brush at all. And I'm just tapping that in with the fluffy brush. So yeah, like I was saying, the lady was like, just to let you know, like, my birthday's today. And I was just like, okay, that's cool. So I was just like, what is going on here? Like, what is going on? And I was just like, I'm going to get my content in, because I'm going to get a video in, because I really missed doing videos. And I haven't done any looks on my face yet, which is crazy, because I can't wait to do a makeup tutorial myself. But right now, I kind of enjoy making makeup tutorials with my clients. So I was just like, I don't care what she's saying right now. I'm still going to record and do what I have to do. But as you can see, I'm just going back and forth, and I'm just making sure everything looks exactly how I want it to look. And here I am going in with Wet and Wild, and I'm not going to create a wing liner for her. I'm just going to keep the liner literally, I'm going to like cut the liner right before I can even bring it out. So towards the end of her eye. And that's exactly how I'm going to leave it. And here I am going with some lashes, and I'm just popping those on. When I tell you, lashes makes like a huge difference. I'm popping these lashes on, but I cannot wait until I get my lashes all together, because I have to order some lashes, my own lashes from my vendor, and show you guys how that looks. They're so pretty, and I love them so much. So I have to really get some in, and once I get those in, I can't wait to show it to you guys. But I'm going in with Nars foundation, and I mixed Nambia and New Caledonia, and I came up with this shade. So now I'm going in with my Instapop from Real Technique, and I'm just applying that all over her face. So while I'm applying the foundation is when the lady came in. When I started applying the foundation is when she came in, and she was just like, she said all those things. So right now she's waiting. And here I am going in with concealer. And this is the same concealer I used for her brows. And you guys, she was getting me upset simply because she kept popping up. And mind you, she just popped up. Like, she just popped up. And at this point right now, I remember this, I was doing her brows. She came back in, and she told me to tell her to get up. And I was just like, what? And she was like, yeah, just tell her to get up so I can get my makeup done first, and we can be all. I was like, this is not real. Like, I was like, this can't be real. I was like, I know she's not for real. Like, she's not real. She's not being for real. She told her to get up. And then you guys probably see, like, I'm doing her brows really slowly. It's because she fell asleep. And I'm, like, holding her head up. Meanwhile, the lady is, like, telling her to get up. And, oh, she has to go. And her kids are having a surprise for her. And she has to be somewhere. And I was just like, you know, like, if it's your birthday, you gotta, like, you know, it's not my fault. Like, you had an appointment at a certain time. And then she goes, she didn't know, the kids didn't tell her what time. And I was just like, ma'am, you're gonna have to have a seat. And my client who was sitting down was just like, oh my gosh, did she really just tell me to leave? And I was just like, yeah. And she was like, oh my gosh. And then she didn't want to take up any more of that lady's time. And I was like, no, like, you came at the time you were supposed to come. Like, this is your time. And I was like, I'm not gonna rush. I'm not gonna do anything. I was like, I don't care what she has to do. We're gonna continue to do this. So at this part, I was getting upset because I can hear her talking outside, but it seems like she's like wanting to rush my process to get this girl done. So in this part, I wanted to highlight a little bit more. To me, I felt like I wanted to highlight a little bit more, and I don't know why I didn't. Maybe because I got sidetracked from the lady, but that's the only thing I wanted to do was highlight a little bit more under her eyes, and that was all. But she still looks beautiful. So here I am going in with No Shine from AC Cosmetics, and I am setting her face in all the areas that I highlighted. And here I am going with Black Radiance and medium to dark contour palette, and I'm using that to contour her nose. And I went in with Black Opal off camera and applied some up underneath her cheeks. And I'm using this Morphe angle brush to contour the rest of her face. And now here I am using this beauty blender, and I'm just basically giving a sharp precise look with the contour, and I'm just setting those areas. And here I am doing the same thing with her nose where I contoured. So here I am using this Wet n Wild black liner, and I'm just applying that in her waterline. And then, you guys, she came in again, but I'm going to tell you what part she came in again at. Here I am applying Trendsetter as a lip liner on her lips. Ooh, when I tell you I love this pencil, I use this on everybody. Like, it goes well on everyone. So here I am using Cairo from Nyx Liquid Lipsticks. And I kind of did a little bit of mixing. Like, I added another shade of, like, another lipstick. But then I still continued to went in with that NYX lipstick. But, yeah. This is me just applying it. You guys, this is when I literally took out the clip, but this is where she came in around this time. She came in around this time to figure out if we were done or not. And she was like, honey, are you guys done? Now, mind you, guys, it's still not even her time. Like, it's literally like four something, like almost 5. So it's not even your time and you're doing all of this. Like, it's not even your time. So here I am, almost done. I'm going in with MAC Studio Fix, and I'm just taking away all the setting powder off of her face. And then afterwards, I'm going to go in with some blush. And I'm using my Real Techniques brush. I love blush. I don't know. Something about blush. I just love it. And you guys, today wasn't her birthday, but it was her birthday. And I guess she's still continuing to party. So she's going out with friends and she's going to have a good time. So, yes. This look good, period. And here I am going in with some highlight. And I use Morphe highlight. I got a Morphe highlight palette. So that's what I use. So the lady came in again at this time, and I was basically done, and I asked my client if I could take a picture of her, and she said fine, and she was like, what about the lady? And I told her I didn't care. But this is her look. I hope you guys love this look. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.